let's start drawing the tree. We don't need to be very specific. We can just draw a little bit of lines, just an impression of how it is, how the tree looks, a little here and there, just so that it looks like a tree shape. So let's start painting. We have taken three colors: yellow, green, and brown. If you will mix yellow and green, it will be a leafy color, but sometimes it just looks light green. So add a little bit of brown, it will be perfect leafy color. And then for painting, you have to start with the tip of the brush. Just put randomly here and there and extend the brush like I'm doing. You seen, right? I'm just extending the brush. I'm not doing very much specific. I'm just putting the brush strokes here and there and try to extend. And every time when you dip the brush, take a different color. So a different kind of texture, different kind of color mixing, tree more attractive. As we get gradually going to the right side, we have to keep in mind the light direction. So here in this picture, light is coming from left side, and so when light comes from left side, the front part will be brighter, means light leafy color, and the right part should be darker in graduation. So this gradient we have to keep in mind, and what I am trying to do is here is since we have put the leafy light leafy color in the front, I am trying to put darker color, darker shade of green here. All you need to do is add a little bit more of a brown and green. It will be perfect dark leafy color, and gradually move towards the brownish leafy color on the right side. So it gives the impression of okay, light is coming from left and it is going towards the right, and it's looking perfectly planned and made tree. So yeah, let's move towards the right side and start adding darker green color, darker brownish mix color, and finish it up. Little more strokes. Yep. Finish up the right part as well. Add darker green brownish color. Put it same way. Tip of the brush should create the leafy kind of thing, and extend the brush so it looks like a bunch of leaves there. Once it gets dried, we have to add some more, take some more color, dark color on top of the brush, and just put the stroke over this. This gives the impression of front and back leaves. See here, like I'm doing, it's giving like the front leaves are more visible, and then back leaves are not that much visible. So this looks like real tree. Okay, so we are pretty much done with the top part of the tree. Let us start with the stem of it. Since the stem used to be darker green and brownish color, more on a brownish color, so we'll take a color, we'll paint it like this on, and with the flat brush, that left side or color side should be dark in color, and just give the impression of it. Here again, we don't need to be perfect. We don't need to paint the color as even color, and we can that's how we'll create the kind of shadow of the tree and real looking stem of it. Add a little bit more color here and there. add a, Add some on leaves also. Meanwhile, while wherever you feel like it is not looking perfect, or it's some more brownish color is needed, just add it here. and add a little bit of leaves coming out of it, so does not look like made shape something. Add imperfections as well. Yeah. We are almost done with our painting. We have to just make the gradient little more, and some more strokes here and there, so it gives the impression of front leaves and back leaves. When we put, when the watercolor is dried, it gives the perfect impression. Yes, our tree is